Hello friends, today we will learn another DSLGO problem, that is find the missing incremental numbers in an order unordered array of 1 to n. So the given array is like this, and we can expect that only the incremental numbers are missing, and also the criteria is given that maximum number is included in the array. So if we see in this array 5 2 6 3 1 11 4, the maximum number is 11. That means it tells that we are expecting the array up to 11, and the minimum is already given, or also here it is told that 1, it should start with 1. So the expected array should be ideally, just like we'll write here, write here, and the expectation of the array should be 1 to 11, because 11 is the highest and 1 is the minimum. So it should be like 1 2 3 4 something like 11. But in this array we found few numbers are missing, that if you can find 6 here, but there is no 7, no 8, no 9, no 10, then directly 11. Similarly, you can expect that n number of missing elements, means that number is not mentioned, that how many elements are missing. Okay, so in the we need to return also the array of elements. So how we can approach for that? So first approach will be, we can say that let's sort this array. In that aspect we can get sorted by 1 1 2 3 4 till 11, but as the rest element is missing, so we can again traverse a loop, then find out that wherever the number there is a gap, like after 5 there is 6, means it is incremental, but after 6 there is no 7. So first we need to sort, and then we will create a loop where we can find out the missing or exclusion in the incremental. What is the time complexity? Time complexity will be that n log n, which will be taken by the sorted, and then order of n for the loop. So overall we can say n log n. So that time complexity to use. And what is the another approach? The next thing comes in our mind, that if we can use a dictionary or hash map, where we can store the key value pair, but that will be sequential. Like hash map doesn't give guarantee on sequential. So it needs to be, we can say we need to create one dictionary, then check whether the key exists. So as here we are saying that there will be no value, so hash set also will work, where we will create another then we will create for loop, one for loop where we will be inserting to the hash set, and then another for loop to get the missing data. But again there the additional space will be consumed, that can be max of order of n. So but the time complexity will be order of n. Is there any other way that we can resolve it? So now there is the third approach came. Like if we see, it tells that array of 1 to n, and only incremental numbers are missing. So in this case we can expect the sum. Let's say all the elements are present from 1 to 11, then what will the sum of the value, means sum of the array elements, the expected sum or the should be we can say expected sum will be actually, the formula tells n into n plus 1 by 2, like n into n plus 1 by 2, n into n plus 1 by 2, it is the arithmetic formula it tells. Okay, but in this case there is multiple numbers are missing, so how we can achieve that? Okay, now let's see this number sequence. So in this case we are saying, let's say if we find out, let's say in this case expected array is means we are getting that let's say 4 elements are missing. So if we combine all other elements, whatever we have array, so array sum and actually expected sum will be bigger than the array sum. Okay, so if we minus or if we subtract expected sum minus array sum, then definitely you will get some value, because there are few elements are missing, that's why array sum should will be always less. But what will be that value? So that value will be, let's say one element we are saying that is x, then what will the next element, because incremental number, so if one element will be x, another will be x plus 1, similarly third element will be x plus 2, and fourth element will be x plus 3. We are saying that these 4 elements are missing, and the value whatever we are getting after the subtraction, that value will be same as addition of these 4 elements, because we are saying my array element plus x plus 1 plus x plus 2 plus x plus 3 will be n into n plus 1 by 2, because all the elements will be present, no? If we combine or if we include this x plus 1 x plus 2 3. Now here if let's say add, if we add x plus 1 x plus 2 x plus 3, the formula something looks like x is 4 times, we are saying x is 4 times 4x plus here 1 plus 2 plus 3. So this x is the missing number or missing element count, and what is this if we see 1 2 3, again it is like a sequence, but the maximum number is till 3. So here we can use the formula, it will be like, let's say this missing count, we are saying that 4 is nothing but missing count into x plus 1 2 3, means it's a minus a missing count, no? So 1 plus 2 plus 3, the formula will be like three into that 4, 3 into 4 divided by 2, because n into n plus 1 by 2. Similarly here here the n became missing count minus 1, because missing count is 4 and here till 1 3, so it will be missing count minus 1 into missing count divided by 2. So this one is the result of 1 plus 2 plus 3 to my expected sum, or no, not expected sum, we can say the difference, so missing count, yeah, and now it's the diff. So what will the value of x? The value of x will be diff minus this value, then divided by the missing count. If we get x, then definitely we can here as we found the x value is already there, so x plus 1 value we can get 2 3, x plus 3 also we can get. Now let's write the code. Let's say we are saying array list of list equal to why we have taken a list to store the value of our array, of our missing numbers. So and input is given as in the form of ARR. So what are the prerequisite? The main thing is that we need to find the maximum number, otherwise we cannot say the what is the value of n. The maximum number is included in the array, it is already given. So first we need to find the sum of array, and also we need to find the maximum number. So let's write for loop. We will update the maximum number. So instead of that we can use math.max operation. Max of maximum number and where let's say we are initially with 0, and we'll calculate the sum of the array element. Sum of array equal to plus equals to after execution of this for loop we'll get the sum of element. Now we have got the maximum number, and that maximum number is nothing but n. So expected or actual sum should, so yeah, we can say expected sum equal to maximum number into maximum number plus 1 by 2, we divided by 2, and we have got the array length. Array length is 7. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Array length is 7 and number is maximum number is 11. We expect that means I was expecting array of 11 length, but the array present is 7. So how many numbers are missing? We can say that maximum number minus the array length. Missing count equal to maximum number minus as it is it was told that is 1 to n, that n is present. and the criteria was given that n is present in this array. We have got the missing count. So x equal to, okay, so first we need to find the we need to use this formula. So difference, first we need to find out the difference of the sum. Expected sum minus sum of array. Diff of sum minus missing count minus 1 into missing count by 2, then whole divided by missing count. So we'll add this, add x. Now for the missing count was 4, na? So we are saying that it will be incremental will be x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3, right? And here the loop will start from 1, then go for 2, then go for 3, but missing count, as missing count will be 4, so it will not proceed further. So list dot add x plus I, return list, and here let's say we will print the list. Let's print the result. Okay, now let's execute it. Yeah, it tells 7, 8, 9, 10. It's missing. It matches. Let's say we change this array where we will write, let's say 7 is present, to verify whether this criteria is working or not. Yes, it tells 8, 9, 8, 9, 10. These are the missing. As we have included 7, so 8, 9, 10 is missing. This is the result. And when we remove this 7, we got the 7, 8, 9, 10 missing. And now what is the time complexity and space complexity? If we don't consider the output, because anyway the output needs to be stored, so maximum it will be order of n, we can say, the space for output. If we don't consider that, then we didn't take any extra space, only some few extra space that is constant, for few variables. So space complexity is constant, and time complexity majorly it will be for this array, that means order of n. In this way we have reduced the time complexity and also space complexity. And similarly another deviation can be that instead of it tells 1 to n, it will tell that find missing incremental numbers in an unordered array of and the array is also incremental, so it can be also from 5 to n. The similar logic will work, only few or minor deviation is required to handle that scenario. Yeah, thank you.